I'm such a nice guy, I'm going to give somebody the shirt off my back. All right, everybody, welcome back to my garage. Yeah, that's right, I'm going to give somebody the shirt off my back. Well, not exactly this shirt. I'm wearing this one. This one's mine, but I'm going to give away a shirt exactly like this, and it even has a cool C7R logo on the back, which you probably really can't see, as well as this awesome Z06 supercharged embroidered hat with a cool carbon fiber trim on it. How am I giving it away? Well, if you were paying attention to my previous videos, which I hope you were, I threw a challenge down because I left a cliffhanger as to what the rear wheel horsepower would be on my 2009 Z06 after the American Heritage Performance ported heads and 116 camshaft was installed. Left a big old cliffhanger, told everybody post in the comments in that video what you think the rear wheel horsepower number is. Closest to it, or the person that hits it dead on, wins the shirt and the hat. Pretty easy, right? So here's the details. K&N cold air intake, stock throttle body, stock intake manifold, of course the American Heritage Performance street ported cylinder heads and their 116 camshaft, as well as stock exhaust manifolds and stock catalytic converters, and a bad tank of gas. Why bad tank of gas? Because when I put it in storage in October, filled it full of premium, treated the gas, and then that was the same gas that was in the tank when I started it up for the first time this season and took it to Boost Addicts in Madison, Tennessee. So, having said all that, what are the numbers? These are the numbers that the people that have entered the contest are waiting for. 516 at the tire. Seems a little bit on the low side, right? Well, that gasoline from October probably had a little bit to do with it, but the big thing is this car needs to breathe more. The stock exhaust manifolds and the stock catalytic converters, they are a serious bottleneck in this car. We're estimating that I throw a set of headers on it and tune it, pick up another 40 or 50 horsepower easy. And that's what's going to happen. I've got headers on my mod list. I just got to figure out who makes the best one for my budget, and we'll get them installed. We'll retune the car, we'll dyno the car, and see how well it turns out. So, having said that, whoever gets closest to that 516 number, I'm going to be reaching out to you through the YouTube messaging system, and so I can get your address so I can send you the shirt and the hat. I want to thank everybody who entered. Hope it was fun, but stay tuned. Stick around and subscribe because I've got more stuff to give away, and of course, I've got more videos about my car. Now that the heads are fixed and I got this cam in, it still makes great power even at 516. It's got an awesome, awesome torque curve. Drives great still though. So I'm going to be doing a lot more video with driving impressions, installing more mods, some appearance mods. I'm also going to be going to shows, Cars and Coffee. I'm just an hour, give or take, south of Bowling Green, Kentucky, where I can go to the Corvette Museum, go to Beach Bend Raceway. It's going to be a cool summer, and I want to take you along with me. So like I said, make sure you subscribe. So thanks again to everybody who entered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I gotta go drive this thing, man. I'm in love with it. See ya.